Mabilis na nagbago ang lahat. Sa lahat ng dako ng mundo ay nasa panganib na mahawaan ng virus na ito. It's terrifying. Pero halos lahat ng tao ay hindi alam na ang takot ay mas masahol pa kaysa sa virus. Nagsimulang pumutok ang COVID-19 sa China at lahat ng tao ay nagimbal. Fear is the very first virus spreading everywhere. Because of fear, we find ourselves obsessing about the virus, engaging with the news 24/7, clicking on every alert. Lahat ng tao ay naghahanap ng katiyakan. Naghahanap ng isang bagay na makakapawi ng kanilang takot. Ngunit walang katiyakan na natagpuan. And guess what? Those obsession for certainty creates more anxiety. At hindi natin alam na ang mga bata ay sensitibo sa bawat nadarama natin at sila ay nababalisa din. You see, fear is worse than the virus. Negative energy is contagious. Most kids misbehave if they could sense something isn't right. Ang takot ang humihila sa atin pababa. Many people are hoarding things because of fear. And fear leads to hatred. And the number one cause of fear is ignorance. Kung pakiramdam mo na medyo natatakot ka na, learn how to take responsibility for managing yourself. Ito na ang 5 bagay para labanan ang takot at balisa na nadarama mo. Number 1, huminga ka ng malalim. Stop yourself for a little while and drop whatever you're thinking about. Huminga ka ng malalim para makalma ang katawan mo at para mapigilan mo ang reaksyon ng stress hormones. When people are stressed, they get sick. It could be a cold or cold sores which pop up because the immune system can't suppress the virus. Stress can make you mentally sick too. Too much of the stress hormone cortisol can make it harder to focus or concentrate, causing memory problems as well as anxiety or depression. Alam kong natatakot ka sa virus na ito, pero kailangan mo ring alamin na ang takot ay isang matinding virus na nasa sayo na at nakakahawa ito. Fear can make us panic or do things which make matters worse, like circulating rumors online, hoarding face masks, alcohol or food, or blaming particular groups for the outbreak. I'm here to tell you that there's nothing to be afraid of. Do not worry about your life, what you will eat, or about your body, what you will wear. Life is more than food, and the body more than clothes. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? Number 2, shut your negative thoughts down. Know this, that this virus has a cure. Walang bagay, walang tao, walang sakit ang mananatili magpakailanman. Lahat ng pait at sakit ng ating nararanasan ay lilipas din. This will end. Kailangan nating paniwalaan ang eksperto sa kanilang ginagawa. We have talented scientists working on this, and we should support them by letting them know we believe in them. Natatakot ka ba na walang matitira sa mundo nang dahil sa virus na ito? Natatakot ka ba para sa pamilya mo? Para sa sarili mo? Notice that you're worried about something that may happen in the future. In fact, it probably won't. Our thoughts about the future are never real. Our minds are playing tricks on us. Let God handle this because He knows what the future holds. Shut your negative thoughts down by letting go of what is. Number 3, kontrolin mo ang isipan mo. Take charge of your thoughts, not the other way around. The best antidote to fear is I can handle it. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo na kaya ko to. Kaya natin to. That's because fear is the feeling that we won't be able to handle something that might happen. But in fact, you can handle it no matter what it is. You can do hard things. You can do everything. Kailangan mong maniwala sa sarili mo. Kailangan mong maniwala sa eksperto na mapupuksa nila ito. Kailangan mong maniwala sa gobyerno. Let them feel appreciated. This is not the right time to scream. This is the right time to accept the reality. We can do this. We can handle it. We're safe. Keep calm and carry on. Number 4. Share good vibes to your family. Take responsible health measures. Then relax. Cultivate positivity and enjoy your family. Deny the virus entry to your body. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. Deny the virus entry to your home. Stay home so you don't bring in the virus. Deny the contagion of fear and entry to your mind. Kung kailangan mong manood ng balita, manood ka sa channel na pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Cultivate positivity. Put in music and dance. Do something creative. Cook something delicious and feed those you love. Creativity and enjoyment can shift your mood from overwhelmed to happier and more hopeful. Connect with your loved ones, both those you live with and those at a distance. Research shows that connection is an effective antidote to stress, both in its effect on our mood and our physical well-being. Use strategies to give everyone some periods of peace and quiet. Most important, give yourself and everyone around you some extra grace. This is not life as usual. This is a hard and usual time, and we all have to help each other through it. Number 5. Always choose love instead of fear. There are only 2 paths to choose in life: love or fear. You can't choose both. Always choose love. The biggest danger of pandemics is that our survival instinct begins to threaten our compassion. The contagion of fear contracts our hearts. So consciously opening our hearts is an antidote to fear. Every choice at the core is between love or fear. Choose love. Call your family and friends to spread love and compassion. Send loving thoughts to someone in the world who needs compassion at this moment. Will they feel it? Maybe. It can't hurt to try, and you will definitely feel it. When we feel love, we feel happier and less anxious. Our bodies relax, allowing the parasympathetic nervous system to take over and optimizing our immune response. Cease from travel. Cease from buying and selling. Give up, just for now, on trying to make the world different than it is. Sing. Pray. Touch only those to whom you commit your life. And when your body has become still, reach out with your heart. Know that we are connected in ways that are terrifying and beautiful. Do not reach out your hands. Reach out your heart. Reach out your words. Reach out all the tendrils of compassion that move invisibly where we cannot touch. Promise this world your love, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, so long as we all shall live.